Hello everybody, welcome back to Twisted Pine Homestead. Today I'm here with Mr. Bryce.
Hi.
We're going to process rabbits today. This is the hardest part of raising rabbits is today, but it's part of it. It's why we do it. Alright, Mr. Bryce, what you got your rabbit hung? You got the legs separated. You're going to start down here, stick your knife in, go straight up the leg.
Okay.
Well,
Possibly the leg.
all the way up to the ankle.
I'm very surprised.
Now you,
There's no blood out. There's no blood out that knife.
now you bring it all the way down
Oh wait, that's just gonads.
to the gonads.
What's the gonads?
Your boys.
Oh, I get
And
it.
then we'll start the other side.
Did you just subscribe? Thank you.
Knife in, right up.
Mm-hmm.
And then come all the way back down.
Yeah, but it's especially challenging to skin a rabbit because the rabbit moves a lot.
It's challenging right now to try to go slow and show you how to do it. So I got my 2 fingers and pinch right there.
Yep.
Alright, you'll feel it.
That
Just a
one.
little dip there. Pull that back.
Okay, now we
Now
put.
you take your fingers.
Okay, we set that knife. This is right. Oh.
You can pull the skin off the bone. See? Now we're taking our time and doing it right because we're using the fur. We're going to tan the fur too, so we want to keep as much of it
As we can.
as we can. Not just, rip it up. So use your fingers, you can pull it all the way up to that. Just cut that off.
Okay, so that's basically how I skin a rabbit, but during the next part. So, what was that for, Mr. Will?
Well, we got to get its private parts out of the way.
So we don't have to worry about them?
Yeah.
Ooh, what about the fluffy tail?
Well, we'll cut it off too. I'll show you when we get to that. Right now, we're just separating the meat from the skin.
That's the meat.
Nice and easy.
That definitely looks fresh meat to you, right, Mr.
I
Will?
hope it's fresh.
You're hoping? You were definitely hoping it was fresh?
Considering we just dispatched it. Okay, now you want to work back
Here a bit.
towards the anus. You don't cut into the anus, you cut around it.
Okay. Hey, I think I can see the fluffy tail from here. A bit.
Okay. Now we put that back. Then cut through. Cut the tail.
Wow, what is that? What is that right there, Mr. Will?
That's some fat.
No wonder.
Now here, hold this. Now we kind of just pull it down.
Okay.
Nice and easy.
Man, the rabbit looks skinny during the first part.
Kind of like taking the suit off. Oh.
Uh-oh.
That's not good. That's not
good.
Until it's cold out here.
Dude, Mr. Will, it's steaming. It's steaming because it's warm.
Right, so
Crud. There's the blood veins.
now we pull down to the shoulders,
Do you need the knife?
and we just kind of pull them out.
So is that basically how we skin a rabbit?
And this is basically how we skin a rabbit when we're keeping the fur. Now it could go a lot faster. And,
If we skin so quick, but
yeah, if I was just to do it like a squirrel.
yes, but you have to teach me.
Well, that's what I'm trying to do.
So we're basically poking the rabbit's neck through
Right now we're getting
the
the
fur off.
arm and the shoulders out.
But
And you can just pull it right off.
oh, dude. So that.
Pull it down the head.
So that's how you skin a rabbit. However, you have to be careful with the rabbit's head.
Looks like you're going for eels and all.
And there's a fur.
So where do we place it at?
Now,
Oh, wait, hang on. So we're gonna cut off the head next. Oh, Mr. Will, you got some blood on you.
Yeah, that happens when you're cleaning an animal.
Oh. Oh, yikes.
all right. Now we come to the gutting part.
Alrighty, I'm going. I'm just taking one step back from the gutted part.
Good.
All right. Now we're gonna start here with
So
a little poke.
just a little
Just
poke.
a little poke.
Just like a teensy wincy poke.
Bring it up to there. This way you don't cut nothing.
No, wait, hang on a
You
minute.
stick your fingers back there.
Be careful with the knife, with your
Yeah,
fingers.
Just the tip of the knife. Use a sharp knife. You cut all the way down to the rib cage.
Hey, yo, chill, is that
Put
the...
all that fat in there.
Hey, yo, chill, is that the rabbit's guts?
Yep.
Yeah.
No, chicken. Guts enough for you. Oh my god.
Cut down by the leg.
Why is their guts so different from our guts?
Down by the leg.
Because I'm definitely wondering. Because so what we're gonna do with the rabbit head? No, chicken.
They're gonna go in the compost.
The chickens try to take a bite of the rabbit's leftovers.
Now we pull it right out.
Hey, Mr. Will,
Yes.
I have a question. So this is the only question you can answer. So, how does the guts feel? If you're trying to pull out of a rabbit. No. I'm just wondering.
Said,
because-
put your hand in now.
Does it make you feel like mushy,
Nice and warm.
nice and warm?
Honestly.
That's the rabbit's guts for sure.
Yeah, that's the rabbit's guts for sure.
Is that where their liver is?
That is the liver right there.
The red part?
Yes, sir. This is the liver.
The liver looks so small. Hey, yo, where's the heart at?
Hold on a second. So we got the liver off.
Okay.
Big thing about this liver, see this? This is full of toxins. Now if you push it down here, it'll push all the toxins back up in the liver. So you grab it from where the bottom of the top of the vein
And we're
is
gonna,
up here.
but we're gonna cut it off.
Never seen that before.
Do you eat rabbit, Austin?
Now this is, you just reach in there and kind of pinch it out, pull it out, put that away, and then you put your liver in your bowl.
So do you know what that gland is called?
No, not right this second, I don't know.
Wait, hang on a minute. Is that the rabbit's heart and stomach?
Nope, that was just the gut part. Now we
That's where
you bust through here.
Hey, you leave that alone, you little T-Rex. Run away.
he's the whole
The
bud.
brain, I'll feed that to them. So now in here's your lungs. You just reach in with your fingers. You can kind of just pull that all out and pull the throat out. Everything.
That's the lungs.
That's the lungs.
Shouldn't the
And then
heart
right-
be...
That's
right
the heart.
Side here. Side this sack.
Is where the heart is.
Is where the heart is.
Hey, I have a question. Why? So why is the rabbit's heart so small? Can someone please explain why?
Because he's a small guy. Alright. There's a lot of fat in here. We also have the
Some really
Yeah,
good
I
one.
thought rabbits were supposed to be 100% protein, no fat.
That chicken keeps on stealing.
we feed our rabbits really good around here, so. But, now,
No, they're not.
last steps.
is cutting off the hands.
You can take, cut off.
One of the hands. So that's how I butcher it. Okay, I'm gonna take a step back.
And then you put it in ice water. Let her soak for a day in ice water.
You're gonna sit for a day in ice water?
Yep.
Nice.
That's it.